Annie Jo here with Auntie Jo Sews. So today I'm going to show you my newest little golden book junk journal. It's Santa's surprise book. It's pretty big and fat, so I get a ton of stuff in here. And what I've done with the book this time is usually I will go in and do the coffee dyed pages and we'll stamp them up or add embellishments and that sort of stuff. This time I've decided to just have them be a part of the book. I've got them paper clipped in so that whoever gets the book can do whatever they would like with it and put the embellishments wherever they like. So let's get right into it. So this is a book. This is Santa's surprise book. It's got 2 signatures inside with a fabric hardcover. And as always with my books, the first page of the book is always the first page of the book. And no writing in this one, so no cute little words or anything this time. So the first page is coffee dyed paper with embellishments. You'll see them in each one of the pages, so I won't keep pointing them out. I'll just show you. Now you got a piece of the cardstock I just think is adorable. And that's a pocket on this side with 2 tags that I made. And they come out. And this is an adorable stamp. I love this. It's We Wish You a Merry Christmas. I just absolutely love that. So made that. I'll be in that pocket. And I've also left these back sides of the papers. I wasn't sure whether or not I wanted to have them be, distressed, not distressed. I thought, you know what, let it up to whoever decides to get it. So if you would like them distressed, I'd be happy to go in and distress it for you. Or if you prefer to do it yourself, I mean, most folks are going to want to do it themselves, but I can distress the edges for you. And that would just make the edges of the white pages look like the edges of this tag. So that in there. And then we've got some vintage music sheets. 1 of 4 handmade cards. Naughty or nice, they all come with envelopes. They're blank inside. And these are made by Stacy at the Craftaholic Mama. Then we've got the first of a couple of hidden pockets. And in here, made this tag, says Merry Christmas with the poinsettia. I think it's pretty cute. This in here. And all these are made by me except the cards that I point out. And we've got a vintage sheet of, I love that woman's journal, woman's household. Love that. So there we go. Some vintage graph paper. And again, the tags that are only paper clipped in. There'll be no stamps or embellishments with any of the journal sheets in here. And, okay, with the exception of the lace. So I did want the lace on some of these pages because they're pretty cool. And then this is a pretty cool DeSoto ad. DeSoto 1938. A Great Star is Born, and I believe it is, Janet Gaynor, feminine star of David O. Selznick's A Star is Born. There we go. I just thought that was super cool, so I'm putting that in there. And that's stamped on the back with the same stamp I used for the Wish You a Merry Christmas. This is a vintage kids book page that I actually found someone was throwing it away. So I'm like, you know what? I'll take that. And I can repurpose it and turn it into something cool. And then some more Counten / graph paper, pages of the book, another card, another pocket. This is a tag I made. You can just put a tag on it or you can stick it to a package if you'd like. And this will be one of the pages if you want them inked or not. Some more of the household. Some more of the coffee dyed paper. I'm using a relatively new technique for the coffee dyed paper and I just love how it's turning out. And again, these have the pretty cool embellishments you could stick on. This is from an old Life magazine. Some old advertising I really liked. Some Cartabella paper here. More journaling pages, coffee dyed paper. Some more vintage ads. Some more journal pages with, remember, these all come off. Home journal, or I'm sorry, woman's household. Another tag that I made. I actually like this one. This one's super cool. I think it turned out really well. And this would be another page that would be inked that you can do, or if you get the book, you'd like me to do it, I'd be happy to ink it. We use Tim Holtz Distress Inks. Some more pages, graph paper, some more book that was going to be tossed. It's a pocket with another tag that I made. And more paper, another page of the book. the old graph paper. This is another pocket, I believe. Yes, another hidden pocket with this other tag made. Just love these. They're so cute. I had put in my Gemini to work overtime. More of the music sheets. This is a card I made last year. I just like it. It's a Christmas card. It's big. This will have an envelope as well. Some more of the scrapbook paper. More journaling pages. Another page of the book. And then in the middle of the book, I have some more cards that I made with envelopes I made. And those are in there. And another one in here. Oh, these are cute. I just figured they'd be really nice to have in the center of the book for you. So I was on an envelope making kit. Or as my grandmother used to like to say, envelope. More of the book. Some more of the coffee dyed paper. Another card. This one I really liked. It's super cute. This is another card by Stacy. Here's a little reindeer tag. This was actually an old Christmas card. I broke out the Gemini and just turned it into a nice tag. I really like that. Put that back in here. Some more of my woman's household. Some more graph paper. Some more of the book. This is another sheet, another pocket here, another sheet. And this is a library card type thing. Christmassy. So you can maybe put like a little list on here or something. It's also giftable, so I like to leave these out so you can gift them to someone if you'd like. Some more paper, coffee dyed paper, graph paper with embellishments that are, again, movable for you. Some more of the magazine. Some more paper with the embellishments. More Cardabella paper, love it. More music paper, another part of the book here. And some more vintage ads. And then another pocket with another fancy schmancy tag I made. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. I just really like that. I thought that was super duper cute. Again, I was putting the Gemini to work overtime. There. Some more tags. Some more ads. This one I thought was cute. A college professor turned Santa Claus. How appropriate. And on the back is Santa Claus. Okay. Another page of a book that was going to be tossed. Same book. More coffee dyed pages with ephemera. Some lacy paper. This is the last card by Stacy. It's just adorable. It's glittered and embellished and 3D and all that stuff. This is the other half of the Santa guy. Some more Santa stuff. Here's another tag that I made. Just really like that. It's just turned out really cool. And then I got some little red, green, and silver gemstones. Little, what the heck are they? Oh my gosh, I'm drawing a total blank. But they're little things you stick on like glitter. They're little fake gemstones. Some more of the book. Some more music. Turkey in the straw. Some more of that paper I like. And what we got here. Another coffee dyed sheets. Woman's household. Some more paper, grafty paper. Some more coffee dyed paper with some lace. Another envelope with another handmade card. I made my own shaker card. Really cute. And so we're almost to the end. More graph paper. More pages from the book. Household. I think it's another. Oh yes, another pocket. Another tag. I know y'all are feeling sorry for my Gemini right now, but I just love that die. It just really is cool. And again, this is another old card that was going to be tossed. And we are at the back of the book, just about done. I spent about, gosh, I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 weeks making these. So a little card for you in here. And I'm just really happy with how this turned out. And I like it that it's got a lot of stuff that I made and a lot of stuff that you can take and turn the book into your own. And there we go. Last page of the book. So there it is. That is my newest little golden book junk journal. Hopefully you liked it. It's going to be for sale in my store. It'll be in the link will be in the description below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and do so. And as always, happy crafting.